Hi, today we're going to talk about creating a visual campaign with FunnelEnvy Pro. Let's get started. First, you're going to start by selecting New Campaign and select Visual Campaign. The first screen that you see here is going to make you enter some basic details, like the name of your campaign and a brief description. You're going to want to select the targeting URLs for this campaign, as well as the match type. You can also test that the URLs match the URLs that you'd like them to match through the URL match validator. You'll also need to specify a preview URL that the visual editor will open to. Once you've created some of the basic details, you can go in and edit some of the other settings of the campaign. You'll notice here that this campaign doesn't have any conversion goals yet, so let's add a couple. Once we've added our goals, we can look at some of the other settings. Targeting settings let you specify either page targeting or audiences. In this case, I can select one of my audiences, but I'm going to choose not to. The settings within a campaign let you control the holdback percentage, typically 50% for a new campaign, and whether it's a randomized or fixed variation holdback mode. And finally, in the advanced settings, you can add custom JavaScript or custom CSS that will take effect at a campaign, not variation level. Next, you'll notice that I already have a baseline variation. I'm going to create a new variation for my campaign. Just like creating a campaign, I'm going to enter some basic details for this variation, a name and optionally a description. And I'm going to save this variation. Since this is a visual campaign, I'm going to go into the variation and make my changes using the installed visual editor. This is going to open to the preview URL that I specified in the campaign settings. And here, using visual editor, we can make our changes and change that headline to whatever we'd like it to be. Once I'm finished with my changes, simply save the variation and return back to my FunnelEnvy dashboard, get a confirmation that the variations were saved, that there has been an edit on the variation, and optionally I can preview it if I'd like. Once I close this out, I have two variations in my campaign. Now, if I'd like, I can go back and actually start this campaign. You'll see here that if I click on the start button, the campaign will start and the campaign will be running. Now, with the toggle, I can toggle it from running to paused, and there are also buttons there to end and reset the campaign. So that was a quick walkthrough of creating and starting a visual campaign. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our success team at support@FunnelEnvy.com. Thank you.